Namaskar, you people are watching Organizer. There is a big setback for the Congress, Delhi Congress. Recently, Delhi Congress President Arvind Singh Lavli, he has resigned from his post. After 2013, we have seen that Congress facing too much struggle in Delhi. The Congress, we have seen after 2013, there is no MLAs in assembly election, and there was no good performance in Lok Sabha election also. And now Congress also facing too much struggle in general election also. Arvind Singh Lavli, we have Arvind Singh Lavli ji for exclusive interview. Sir, what was the reason why you have resigned from your post during the election period?
See, first of all, it is not during the election. Election is yet to be started because no political party has filed its nomination. Candidate has filed its nomination yet. The thing was that first I was very uncomfortable with the alliance with our party. Then also I stood by it. Whatever party high command told, we abide by that. Then 4 seats were given to AAP. 3 seats were left for Delhi congressmen. Out of those 3 seats also, 2 seats were given to outsider. Then also we said, it doesn't matter, we will abide by the party leadership's decision. Few of our senior Congress people who have been working very hard since last 5-6 months when I took over as president were little agitated because of tickets. I told our General Secretary in charge that during election time we need to pacify people. But he was forcing me to expel them from the party, which I refused. And I told them, if you want to expel them, then you may have a new president. I am not ready to do that. That was the reason for my resign.
We have seen interviews of many senior Congress party leaders. Those have resigned not in Delhi, across nation. They were speaking that there is no good coordination with the higher authority as a senior level. Have you also faced such kind of challenges?
See, when a state president has resigned to save other congressmen, so you can understand what sort of communication we have. When they are not listening to state president, then how would you expect them to listen to a common worker?
We are seeing at your home that there are so many Congress party leaders, Karyakartas. So can we consider that there is big planning is over on to take any kind of big decision in upcoming days?
See, lots and lots of leaders and workers are coming every day to meet me. Nobody is going to the party office. They are coming to my residence, even when I have resigned. I thank to Congress workers and people of Delhi for showing sympathy with me and respect with me. I have maintained that I have resigned from the party presidentship, not from the party. But the way these people are issuing statement against me, General Secretary is speaking against me and making AAP leaders speak against me, so I will discuss with my workers and then we will decide the future course.
We have seen that you have tried to work hard to make Congress on good footprints in Delhi. You tried to elect and elect block president, district president. What kind of achievement we can say during your period?
I was not allowed to make any appointment. I was working hard. I was requesting Congress leaders to come and work for the party. I was even meeting all sorts of workers, but I was not allowed to make any appointment. So that is also one of the reasons that I resigned. That when you don't allow me to work, why should I be the president of the party?
Can we consider that your resignation, it's sentimental for the your supporters and Sikh community also?
Absolutely, it is sentimental also. And what could I have got? I was PCC president. I cannot become anything more than that. So it is not for myself that I have resigned. I have resigned for the sentiments of the people and the workers of Congress party.
There is election is going on. There is alliance between AAP and Congress. Where do you see the Congress? Because Congress also fighting on 3 seats. What will be result on 4?
See, unfortunately, one, that is an unnatural alliance. Secondly, my reason for resigning is that on 4 seats where AAP candidates are contesting, there is not even the name and photograph of Congress leaders. And on 3 seats where Congress candidates are contesting, out of those 2 seats, we have bigger photo of Kejriwal than our leaders, Rahul ji or Kharge ji. So what sort of election is this? Where should Congress cadre go? Where should Congress worker go? In 4 seats, nobody is mentioning us. In our 3 seats also, we are mentioning them.
So we can say that Congress party workers are in upset mood because Congress played a big role to highlight liquor scams. There was so many petitions which Congress filed against the Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia. A whole cabinet, it is jail. So do you think that the local people of Delhi and as well Karyakartas of Congress, they will support Aam Aadmi Party in the election or not?
I have already mentioned that it is an unnatural alliance, and it is only because of the sentiments of Congress workers that I have resigned.
You have resigned, but you are also saying that you are a party worker. You will not.
If they will let me be a party worker, the way they are giving statement against me, I don't think they will even let me in the party also.
If you will get a call from K.C. Venugopal or the senior leader as Rahul Gandhi to rejoin.
I'm a very small worker. They are big people and very busy people.
So where do you see the Modi and Rahul Gandhi in this election?
I'll give us interview on this in next few days.
Okay. We had exclusive interview with Arvinder Singh Lavli, who was the Congress Delhi president, and there are so many things on which he is very upset. The unnatural alliance, that is very big task for the Congress. और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमने देखा है कि दिल्ली में चल रही है. MCD की इलेक्शन की बात करें तो वहाँ पे भी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस कांग्रेस का नहीं रहा, और दिल्ली के प्रदेश अध्यक्ष पहले सुभाष चोपड़ा, उनके बाद अनिल जी, फिर आप, लगातार लोग छोड़ते गए जिम्मेवारी.
नहीं, वो लोग तो अच्छा टर्म काट के गए. सुभाष चोपड़ा जी को वह हटाया गया था. अनिल चौधरी भी 3-4 साल पहले रहे थे. रिजाइन शायद मैं पहला अध्यक्ष हूँ जिसने करा है, और अपने लिए नहीं किया, कांग्रेस वर्कर्स के लिए किया. अभी
की जो सिचुएशन है, आप खुद कांग्रेस पार्टी वर्कर है, बहुत लंबे समय तक आपने काम करा है. जो सीनियर लॉबी है, जो अकबर रोड पे बैठते हैं, उनको क्या आप कहना चाहेंगे कि देश भर में कांग्रेस मजबूत हो, दिल्ली में मजबूत हो?
उनको मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता. मैं बहुत छोटा सा कार्यकर्ता हूँ. सुनने की आदत है. मैं सुनना चाहूँगा कि वो क्या कहेंगे.
So, is there any planning to?
कोई प्लान नहीं है अभी. तो मैंने कहा है कि मैंने पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट से इस्तीफा दिया है. अब बाकी अपने साथियों से बात करेंगे कि आगे. कुछ
इंटरव्यूज़ में पढ़ रहा था कि उसमें 1-2 जगह था कि जो कैंडिडेट्स सिलेक्शन हुआ है, कांग्रेस के जो 3 कैंडिडेट्स हैं, आप भी चाह रहे थे कि कोई दिल्ली का कैंडिडेट हो. देयर वाज सम नेम.
तो नेचुरली मैं जब दिल्ली का अध्यक्ष हूँ तो दिल्ली के वर्कर्स के सेंटिमेंट्स को हाई कमांड के सामने रखना मेरा फ़र्ज़ है. पर मेरा उससे बड़ा ऑब्जेक्शन ये है कि मान लीजिए आपने किसी को टिकट नहीं दी, उससे बात करना, उसको पैसिफाई करना तो आपकी जिम्मेवारी है, कि उसको पार्टी से निकालना आपकी जिम्मेवारी है. उसको पार्टी से निकालने के लिए मैं तैयार नहीं था, इसलिए इस्तीफा दिया मैंने.
आपकी रेजिग्नेशन से अलग केजरीवाल जेल से सरकार चला रहे हैं, क्या देखते हो आप? ठीक है ये आपके लिए?
मैं वही तो कह रहा हूँ, केजरीवाल तो जेल से सरकार चला रहा है, मुझे मेरे घर से बैठ के भी पॉलिटिक्स नहीं करने दे रहे हैं.
इतनी सारी एलिगेशन आम आदमी पार्टी पे लगे हैं. अब तो अलायंस हो गया, आप बच रहे हैं, खुल के बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं. पहले तो
नहीं, मैंने अपनी चिट्ठी में लिखा है कि वो लोग जो हम पे करप्शन के इल्ज़ाम लगाते थे, हमने उसके बावजूद आपका आदेश माना और इस अलायंस को किया. लेकिन जो है और मेरा एक रीज़न ये भी मैंने उसमें लिखा है कि हमारा एक कैंडिडेट कह रहा है कि केजरीवाल ने स्कूल खुलवा दिए, कॉलेज खुलवा दिए, अस्पताल खुलवा दिए. उस कॉलेज का नाम बताओ जो खुलवा दिया. हमने हमेशा ये स्टैंड मेंटेन किया है कि शीला दीक्षित की गवर्नमेंट के टाइम पे जो है डेवलपमेंट हुई थी. तो कॉन्ट्ररी टू पार्टी स्टैंड है. वो भी एक रीज़न है जो मैंने मेंशन किया है.
तो बहुत सारे मुद्दे हैं कांग्रेस के अंदर ही, बहुत सारी बेचैनी है, बहुत सारी कलें हैं. सीनियर लीडर्स से जूनियर लीडर्स बात नहीं कर पा रहे, अपना मैसेज कन्वे नहीं कर पा रहे। एक प्रकार की मोनोपोली देखने को मिल रही है, दिल्ली में भी देखने को मिल रहा है और दूसरी जगह पे भी। बहुत सारे मजबूत कांग्रेस के लोग वो छोड़ के जा रहे हैं पार्टी। ये कांग्रेस के लिए एक बड़ा सबक है कि दिल्ली जैसी राजधानी में जहाँ पूरे देश भर के नेता है, कांग्रेस के बड़े लीडर्स रहते हैं, वहाँ पार्टी की स्थिति अच्छी नहीं है। और जो लोग अच्छी स्थिति करना चाहते हैं उनको भी परेशान करा जा रहा है। जैसे कि अरविंद सिंह लवली को करा गया, उनको बोला गया कि उनके जो ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट है, उनको हटाया जाए। सर, हमसे बात करने के लिए आपका बहुत धन्यवाद। बेस्ट ऑफ लक यू।